myself Dwarkanath Viske, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, SJVIT. So welcome to Relay and High Voltage Lab. So in the today's experiment that we are going to see the flashover characteristics of a plane electrode that we are going to look into it over here. So basically you can see over here there are various equipments which is there. So these are my electrodes which is to be tested for the condition air acts like a media, that we are going to see the flashover characteristics of this particular thing, material. Here you can see my transformer which is being connected over here. So 30 kV transformer. If the transformer directly I am connecting to the electrodes, we call it as HVAC testing conditions over here. If we are bypassing this part, suppose if we are including this part, example this wire, if it is connected to this terminal, so AC, from AC I will be making use to AC to DC conversion. This is my rectifier part. So from DC I will be connecting to my electrode part over here. So then HVDC is my source that is being injected over here. Clear? I repeat, this is my transformer, this is my rectifier unit over here, this is my electrode setup over here. So the basic settings, what we are supposed to do it over here is two electrodes to be in sync, and here if you come closer you can see 0 sitting over here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 likewise. So 0 should be marked over here, and this should be no gap over here, and this setting has to be set. Okay, so this is initial set has to be done. Now we will vary. There is a variable knob over here. Now you can see we can come back. So here how many turns that we have moved in. So this is from 0. So I am moving over here. So in intermediate is my 5. Okay, say I will give it as 4. Okay, this is my 4 mm spacing. Now this is 4 mm spacing that we are going to test it for HVAC condition. Okay, so we will go to the control panel over here, and what are the knobs and what are the control actions that we are supposed to take it. We will have a look into it over there. So let's move to the control panel kit. Here, stop. So this is my control panel kit over here. We need to switch on the mains, okay, and we need to close the door for the safety point of view. So there is a switch over here that a lock has to be there, otherwise my control panel won't work over here. So basically we need to switch on the mains over here, okay, and then keep it in the minimum position, mains on, and then HT on. Okay, so here you can see my AC supply, so slightly increasing, and also you can see over there, so Altose, so there you will be getting a spark between the two spacings. Okay, I am increasing the voltage, so you can see the spark over here. So this we call it as flashover characteristics of a air as a media, gases. Okay, here surrounding here is the gases. Okay, the spacing between the two electrode, here it was air which is supposed to be an insulator, now it is going to the conduction mode with the concept of ionization. So that is working over here. We call it as flashover characteristics of that particular material. Now the experiment is repeated by varying the spacing over there. So earlier we had given for 4 mm, now I will going to increase it to 6 mm. Okay, so the voltage earlier it got breakdown around the 3 to 4, that we will see for the next trial how much it is going to take. Before going inside, so we need to open the door. You need to take the earth electrode which is being connected over here. So this earth electrode we should touch at the common points, tip points, because there will be static charges present over here. So all those things that has to be earthed. Okay, so we need to earth it. So once this is done, so now right now we are set for 4 mm. I will now make it to 6 mm or 8 mm. I will try to increase it. Okay, so now you can see it is in the 8 mm spacing. Okay, now you can see over here the gap has increased. Okay, this is for 8 mm spacing. Now we will see the second trial. Okay, we move to the control panel. So we need to close the door, hold tightly, okay, and come over here. So once again the auto transformer should come into the minimum position. So switch on the mains, switch on the HT. There is an HT on indication, unit ready indication. Now I will slightly increase my voltage. Now you can see the voltage here. Okay. So now it has crossed 5 kV. So further 7 kV. Also you can see a hissing noise over there. Okay. So around 8 kV it got tripped. Now say the same trial, you will see the spark. Okay. For the second set. Just a second. So now keep watching the two electrodes. I am repeating the trial. Okay, earlier we had seen the voltage. Now we are going to see the spark between the two electrodes. Okay, that was visible, and also noise. The relay is getting tripped. So likewise we can repeat the experiment with the variation in the gap spacing, and here we can note down the voltage, at what voltage breakdown has taken place. Okay, this is called as flashover characteristics for a plane to plane electrode. Now the same experiment can be repeated by remove one of the electrode with a pointed electrode. I will showcase that. So welcome back. So the same experiment that can be replaced with this plane electrode by the pointed electrode. Okay, so here electrodes are different. So both the cases, this is uniform field and this is also uniform field. Now if I have with one pointed and one plane electrode, we call it as non-uniform field. Okay, I hope it is understood. Same thing with this, one with plane electrode, one with the pointed electrode, we call it as non-uniform field. The experiment can be repeated, and one more set of experiment can be repeated with the source. So replace HV AC by HV DC line. So if we connect from here to here and one more wire from here to here, we will be getting HV DC line. Okay, thank you.